Hi, this is Pete again with the Kilted Kiln. Our tagline is where everyone's an artist, and we mean that. We're one of the few studios in the country that actually gives you a presentation before you paint. You know why? We actually want you to produce a nice piece and get the most value out of your piece here. The number one most popular item of all the tools that we have here are the fine tip writers. These are awesome. With paint brushes, you have to paint 3 times. But with fine tip writers, they come out in 3-coat thickness, so you only have to do it once. They're great for 2 things. 1, detail work. See this little gnome mug right here with the beard? Instead of having to paint, maybe you want to put gray in it. Instead of having to get a brush and paint that gray 3 times, you take a color of your choice, pop the pin. No, don't unscrew it, just pop the pin, do it once, and you're finished. The second thing that they're great, and John, I didn't tell you, I do want to move just a teeny bit, is for writing. This customer, right up here, wrote in pencil and then went over in black, and it looks like she wrote with a paintbrush. Like all good things in life, there's a little caveat here. These clog a lot. However, we have duplicates, and if I'm not busy, you just tell me it's clogged and I'll fix it. But that was really stupid of me because I'm never too busy for a customer. So if you can't get them to work, let me know. I'll fix them. Fine tip writers, one of the many tools that you have at the Kilted Kiln to become a great artist. Thanks.